Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the March Ipsy bags. I have the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Plus. And if you guys didn't hear the news, I think this is going to be the last month it's actually like Ipsy Plus and Ipsy because they're combining with BoxyCharm. So they're like joining forces into one subscription service. They're still going to have a few different subscription options. I will try my best to link below the announcement link, but I also posted on my community tab, so you can check it out there if you want more information. I will link Ipsy's website down below. So I do get this in PR. This will be my last month getting it in PR. So they're shutting down their like Ipsy Open Studios because they're combining and changing a bunch of things over there. I'm so grateful that I've been able to receive Ipsy. So thank you, Ipsy, and thank you guys. It's all because of your support for being my friend, following, liking, watching my videos that I was able to get this. Really grateful. And I really love Ipsy. So I'm thinking I'm gonna check out the subscription plans. I was already thinking about subscribing to BoxyCharm, so I might do that. I'm gonna check it all out. But I'll focus on that another time. Let's look at the March bags. So they're so cute. Where's the little paper? So March is Women's History Month. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I know it's like Women's Month. I think it's Women's History Month. But Step Into Your Power is the theme. It says this month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty, from a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women, cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. Yes, I love that. And then it says, cheers to living your best life. Love that energy. It's time to give new meaning to the term spring cleaning. It's not all about detoxing and decluttering. It's all about replenishing what makes you feel like your best self. Show us how you transition into this season in style. So I love that. And you guys, the bags are so cute. I like the Ipsy Glam bag the best. Beautiful like texture, but look at this. It's like a little coin with a woman on it. I don't know. I just think this looks so cool. I love it. And then for the Ipsy Plus, it has that same like woman's figure there. Beautiful blue with the gold. I really like that combination. It's like a little bit ombre too, like lighter on top or all over. I don't know, but I like it a lot. So how about we start off with Ipsy. So I'm not really going to talk too much more about it. It's a beauty subscription. This one is $12 and the other one is $28. You get to customize one of the items, and it's mostly deluxe size, but you sometimes get full size in this. I recommend this as a starter, like if you're wanting to get into beauty subscriptions or gift someone that, because it's affordable and awesome. So let's see. I have not peeked actually to see what's inside here. So it has a blue lining in the inside of the bag. Nice. And I'm just going to pour everything out and go one by one. Okay. So first thing here, it looks like we have a little mascara lash treat by Tarte. Volumizing mascara, that's what I was looking for. So a little deluxe size. I don't think I've ever even heard of this one. Awesome. And then by Kinship, Bright Wave Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. It's an energy drink for tired eyes. I like that. It says it's an illuminating eye cream that contains clinically proven actives to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Nice. I say this all the time when we talk about eye products, or I get eye products. I don't have dark circles, but I get puffy. I started doing gua sha, and I don't know if it's helping yet, but I feel I've like looked it up once, and now I get recommended videos on YouTube all the time, and I watch it, and like the results are like awesome, but also it just like feels good. A lot of us hold like all this tension in our jaw and our head, or at least I do. I think it's common though, and it's been helping, but I'm hoping that helps the puffiness, because I feel like eye products are definitely more effective for the circles. But yeah, 91% showed clinical improvement. The actives in here are red algae, vitamin C, and chaga mushroom. And it's a deluxe size, but this is a good size for an eye cream because you only need to dab in a little, even though it seems like it's only filled up to here. That's okay. And then by Hey Honey, Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. It's made with honey and vitamin E. Awesome. I hope it's like more oily consistency because I'm doing that in gua sha. I only like sometimes you need like a face oil, and I actually don't have any right now. I used to have like such a stock of stuff. I'm glad I don't. You don't need to have like 2 years worth of skincare backed up. But it'll be easier to like move in instead of keeping like reapplying moisturizer. But it's water based, oil free. Okay, we'll see. But it sounds great anyways. It gives a burst of hydrating nutrients and promotes cell regeneration. Crafted to promote beautiful aging, smooth and balanced skin. I like the sound of that. I like this company too. And then we have, it looks like a full-size item. What does it say? Paranova rocket ship. This is a lip, oh, it's a lip pencil. I was thinking it was eyeliner. Awesome. Okay, so let's see if I could get this open so we can see. Does it say what color it is? I guess, is rocket ship the color? No, Paranova. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try and see. I have longer nails now, and you'd think maybe it'd be easier to open things, but I feel like it's harder to do. Like typing on the computer, but it's okay. I'll get used to it. Okay, come on now. Maybe, oh, just twist it. Genius. I am going to do a swatch. Ooh, I like this. I'm excited about this, and I don't think I've ever tried. So wait, is Paranova the brand or the color? I don't know, but I like it. Don't know what it is, but I want it. Do you guys remember that? It's from like Jessica Simpson commercial about like chicken of the sea or something. Is that like a tuna brand? That is so random. Okay. But let's move on. The last thing in the glam bag is by Glow On Fifth Beauty Pore-Effect Detoxifying Mud Mask. Nice. It's wrapped up, but we don't need to sample this, so that's good. So we got a mixture of skincare and makeup, eye cream, face cream, a serum, lip liner, and mascara. That's like a good variety, and you can like do them with like your full skincare besides like wash. That's awesome. I mean, I guess you need a moisturizer, but you can use eye cream all over your face, you know. You can also use your regular moisturizer under your eyes. Like, that's totally fine. You don't have to go and buy another thing if you don't have it, you know. Just what? Let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So in this one, you get to choose 3 out of the 5 items. It's all full size. And again, there's going to be some changes, but I don't think the pricing's changing. Again, you can look on their website, what I'm linking below, to get more information if you have any questions. But, okay, let's just dump it out again. First thing here, we have some sunscreen by First Aid Beauty. Mineral sunscreen, zinc oxide, SPF 30, safe for sensitive skin. I feel like I've tried this one. I like it. I think this is nice to put in a March bag. It's starting to get warmer out. People are going outside more. It's really nice. You should wear sunscreen all year round. You know how they tell us. But yeah, awesome. And then, ooh, maybe this will be what I'm looking for my skin, my gua sha, by Ren Clean Skincare. This is their Ever Calm Barrier Support Elixir. It nourishes and soothes, and it's good for sensitive skin. Oh, it does have some oils in it. It has Camellia japonica seed oil. That soothes skin and helps reduce signs of sensitivity. Organic Inca Inchi oil, which is a rich source of essential omega-3 and 6 to replenish the skin barrier. And then Meadow Foam seed oil, rich in lipids to nourish the skin. Okay, this sounds just like what I need, which is so awesome. It's oil-based. Oh, yeah. I'm excited. It says to use warm 5 drops in the palm of your hand and apply by patting into your face. Yeah, this is definitely, this is elixir. This is definitely oil-based and exactly what I need, and I'm so grateful. Do you guys use gua shas, by the way? I know I keep talking about it, and that's not what this video is about, but that's how I'm using my skincare, so I'd love to hear. Let's keep going. We have Ofra. Ooh! We have Ofra liquid lipstick in Pasadena. This used to be my favorite, and I don't have any of these anymore because they all expired. I'm super excited. So these I know are like $20 unless their price increased since I last like shop. But this is such a pretty color, you guys, and I bet it goes really well with this. Let's do a swatch. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've worn liquid lipstick or had any Ofra. I'm so excited. Yay. Oh my gosh. Yep, you can use those together. Look at that beautiful shade. I'm so excited. I mean, this one's a little bit more cool tone than warm, but you can use them, you know. And sometimes it's nice to have like a browner shade lip liner, like, and put like a little bit out. It's like contouring your lips, making them look bigger. I'm so excited about this. Yay! Then we have 2 more things still. Levito. Oh my god, I've gotten something by them in a past Fab Fun forever ago, which by the way, I've been wanting to resubscribe to that. It's been a long time. This is their aromatic body lotion, musk and coconut. Hydrate, nourish, protect. Total, like, not nostalgia. I'm just like remembering this brand. I think I really liked it. I go through body creams. I use it every day. Okay, now this, can I get this? Okay, I can do it. I was about to sing a song that's kind of inappropriate. Let's smell it. Why is this? Okay, I'm just gonna. It smells good, but I couldn't do it like I feel like when I do that, these are dips, so it's not like I have like any. What do you call them? Like tips put on or anything. But I feel like my nails get bent over and it kind of like cracks it, and I'm afraid of that because one of my nails cracked last time and it hurt really bad. Okay, we're gonna do that another day so I don't keep you guys waiting. It smells like coconut, musk and coconut. It smells really good. Oh, I got it. Oh, it smells really good. Musk and coconut, but it's not too coconutty. You know, sometimes that can be that way. I mean, some people out there, you're probably like, there's no such thing as too much coconut. But like sometimes things just smell fake coconutty. That smells really good, like lighter. Last but not least, we have a palette, it looks like, by Wander Beauty, Sun Kiss Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Ooh. Let's see. It's a go-to palette for the perfect getaway. It features 4 expertly selected shadows, a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer to create a variety of looks from day to night, all in the palm of your hands. Ooh, this looks pretty. This looks familiar. I might have had something similar to this in the past. This looks awesome. And I'm like a neutral girl now. Like on my eyes, like I feel like I've tried maybe some of these. I like Wander Beauty. I'm excited. What do you think? I like that there's 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to touch it yet. I might share it with someone else. I haven't decided. Because I rarely use eyeshadow palettes. And I'm trying to be more minimalist. I don't know. But it looks really pretty and I want to touch it so bad. But we're just going to put it away for now just in case I want to give it to one of you guys or someone. But that was everything, you guys. What'd you think of the last time we have Ipsy as we knew it? Like now everything's changing. The whole world's shifting. Well, I'm just thinking of like astrology. I'm like, there's so many changes going on. I feel like everyone's like evolving. Companies are evolving. I would love to know your thoughts. Are you guys going to subscribe? Or I guess if you're already subscribed, they're like continuing it, right? Let me know your thoughts though on the whole merger. I know I talked to some people on Instagram. You were excited about it, and I kind of am excited about it too. I mean, it's a bummer. I'm not going to get PR anymore, but I'm just so grateful for the time I had it, so it's okay. I'm okay with it. I'm excited to see what happens in the future. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Again, I'll link the website down below, ipsy.com, if you guys want to check it out. Thanks again for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have a great day. You deserve it. I love you so much. Bye.